Hello everyone, Archana here. Today I am here with my beautiful album which I created using embroidery hoop. I have used these two hoops 10 inches and I used this part, the screw part, as a closure for this album. And also I have used collection called Homemade by Minte. It's beautiful collection, as you can see, and I posted a couple of pages on my Facebook and Instagram, and I'm sure you want to see more what's in this album. So basically this is Lightup album I have created after so long. As some of you remember my fairy album, it was a Lightup album, and I have that link in description box. If you are curious, you can check that album. And that album was small, so I could able to put lights on every page, but this album I just used for front couple of pages. So let's get into it. You can see I have used Prima flowers, wild orchid craft flowers, some laces, and there is a hidden space where is my lights button, and I'm filming in little bit dark area today because I just wanted to show you all the lights. You can see right here. I'll just close the window too so you can see. And we will open this. So this part I just need to push this album down, and this is the loop. It's not elastic since I have used so many flowers in there, so it got bulky album, you can see. So if you gently press, this can go easily in that part, that screw part, and you can easily take it out. So you don't need any kind of elastic or anything for that. And on this side I have used some laces, seam bindings, and one of the flower from Prima's pack. And when you open it, you can see the lights here. It feels like it's dark, and outside there are lights, right? And you can see this page. I'll show you closer look. Beautiful, right? This page is so pretty, festive. And this page also very pretty. And on the back page there is a like this page where you can see all the this ironwork windows on one of the page. This is basically whole 12 by 12 sheet, and I just cut out and use some foam dot underneath. And you can see the lights here. I made a slits, you can see right here, couple of slits on these, only on that this front page, and this front part I mean, so you can see the lights from side as well. So this is the page, and I have used all the chipboards which comes with the collection. And on this page you can see I tried my best to put some of the pop-up things. Currently it's a trend going on, putting pop-up things in the albums. So this is open like that, and basically this part is going to pop up like that. You can see you can put pictures on sides, right here, right there. And basically these flowers make this part stop opening. Like I use some of the magnets, but sometimes, you know, this is bulky, and if you open and close it, like it's like that, it's open like that. So what I did, I just used this one as a closure for this part. And the second thing, let me get one piece of paper. So here you can see all the sequence. So this part is photo frame. You can insert the photo here, and it is quite a big paper. It's quite a big photo frame. I think it's 4 by 6. And this page is done. Then we'll move on to second page. When you open this, you can see lots of things going on here. So here is a slider, you can put picture or some journaling there, and it slides that. And same thing here, this flower makes this page close like that. Even though I have used some magnets, I just wanted to make sure this is secure. And here also you can just open this part, and this page is open like that and like this. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures each sides, and it closes like that. And there is another page behind this part, I'll show you. So if you open this thing, like, just I have just used this what it called, the feathery thing, eyelash ribbon, I guess. So just to create a closure for this part. And I will show you, I will tilt a little bit because it's very wrong direction right now. So when you open this part opens like this. Sorry. So basically from top view you can see, and like that. So I have used couple of acetate here, and you can put some pictures. And there is a magnetic thing, like I put some magnet here, so your picture will be secure in there, it will not go anywhere. And when you close it, it's just a flat, okay. And then you can just close this part like this. And since it's big, I just insert the part of this chair, I'm just tucking in just to make sure this part is closed. And I will just insert this page here, and you can see all the beautiful flowers. Aren't those pretty? And then on this page you can put big picture here, and it is a magnetic page, you can see. So it doesn't go anywhere since I have used couple of magnets here. And there are couple of belly bands, so you can insert some pictures there. And one part opens like that, pop up. You can put some pictures here. And also I have used couple of acetate here, you can put pictures underneath the smaller one. And same thing we have on the other side, like that. Same thing I did it. So these are identical pages, okay. And we will move on to our next page. Before that, I'll just tuck in. Sometimes I forgot to put in after I'm done with my filming, like that. And then our this second page, so it is like a pocket kind of thing, you can see. You can put so many things, journaling, pictures in there. And there is a magnetic closure right here, and when you open it you can see this 3D part. So you can put some pictures right here, like that. You can see this part. I don't think you can see properly, but there is some 3D thing like that, you can see, right? And there is a part for pictures, and some chipboards from the collection, cutouts, and on both sides a big space for picture, journaling, so you can just tuck in there. And on these two sides also you can put some pictures. And I kept it since it's a homemade collection, I thought it looks like a chalkboard, and you can write some recipes or the menu names right here and right there, and put some pictures on both sides. That was my idea, since this one has some teapot and teacups here. And this close, and this one is our peekaboo window, so you can see good times together, there is no place like home. And when you turn this around, there is a blank space where you can stick pictures, again some sentiments, again blank space, sentiment, blank space. So you can put 4 of the pictures, 4 to 5 pictures in there. And this is our page. I have used all the cutouts from the collection. You can see closure. Isn't it pretty? So this depth of this hoop, I think it's a 1/2 inches. It's really perfect for this kind of effect, or some kind of 3D things you can put under here. It stays secure. Even though this page is bulky, it goes like that and it covers up. Since this page is exactly 10 inches, so it doesn't go inside, so it stays secure. And that is it. This is my Lightup album. I really hope you liked it. And I have a kit with hoops and lights on my website very soon, so please check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.